is Amara Uwojobi. I'm here to show us the illustration of how Hart's making is being produced, and also how to make fascinator. Right now on my table you can see I have my cinnamon, I have my crinoline, this is hot gum, cling film, this is mold, or you can call it heart block for shaping the hearts. This is millinery wire, bias, masking tape, stiffener, fishing line. We have flowers for embellishments, UHU gum, dressmaker scissors, brush, Alice band, thumbtacks, and my plier. Also you can see a bishop cap. So first of all, what we want to do right now is to do heart blocking. And how do we do it? We have our mold, and this is our cinnamon. That is what we are going to use. That's the material we use in heart blocking. Right now, first of all, what you do is to measure the and know the size of the heart. As you can see, I'm already measuring it right now to know the exact cinnamon to be used. You can just see how I'm measuring it. You can just see how I'm measuring it, and I make sure there is excess so that once it takes shape of the curve, you can now see that it will still remain under. As you can see, you just leave about 2 inches. As you can see, I have already known the size. Right now the next step is to cut. I can right now cut, knowing I have taken the measurements that I needed. Okay, right now this is the measurement that I needed, but you can still use this to make it if you want a lighter heart. But still, if you want a very thick heart, of which that's what we are going to do, we will still measure the exact, making it to be double. We still measure exact length of the cinnamon we need. This is the exact measurements of the cinnamon, the first one. This is the second one, and we are cutting off the excess. As you can see, I'm doing cut off the excess. You still keep it because it will still be used. Right now, cinnamon, before you start any heart blocking, you have to damp it with water. That is why we have a bowl with the water under room temperature. You damp it, but don't make it to be dripping water. You just damp it as I'm doing right now. You damp your cinnamon with water. Don't let it be dripping, just dampen with water so that it can be easy for you when you're doing your heart blocking. This is already done. I have damped my cinnamon with water, and I'll keep it aside for it to be soaking. The next step right now